Okay. Good afternoon, class. Do you have a class going on?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Where are other people? Why aren't everyone joining? Ask everyone to join, please.
Ma'am, till they come, ma'am, about our attendance,
Mm-hmm. No,
many of,
that is what I want to discuss with everyone. That's the reason I'm calling everyone out.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let everyone join first. You don't have a class now, right? I mean, is there a class still
No,
on?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. I thought this is the last class of your day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let everyone join. I won't take much of your time. Meanwhile, please check the syllabus there in the group I have shared. You can find two new things that we have not covered, and this was decided during my absence just because the midterms have been delayed. Clear, and most of the sections have covered all these topics. Clear, so they have included hearing and listening, okay, and time and tense. Okay, time and tense are basically what I believe is kept for objective questions, so that they can put in more objective questions, but more ka chances kam hai क्योंकि it's just for 20 marks, and for 20 marks the syllabus is huge. Okay, we know that, but just because of the late admissions and the students joining late, the date had to be shifted. Okay, so they have included two more topics, and we have enough time. We are going to cover these are two small topics we'll cover. Time and tense तो बच्चे तुम करते ही आ रहे हो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्लियर. बट रिविजन्स मैंने जितने कराए हैं ना, क्लियर, ऑल द क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, इफ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू, these question papers were set by me, clear. I mean, I was the paper setter, so I had all these questions, and these question paper was of no use to me now, तो मैंने revisions में सारे डाल दिए. Most of the questions you might have find that one question had four options. ठीक है, मतलब one question had 4 points, okay, or four different types of questions. ठीक है, did you notice that in the previous
Yes, ma'am.
question जो दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Half
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
marks into four.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
now please understand what happens. Okay, the entire pattern for the paper setter and for the students are two different things. Okay, I mean, we see this as one question paper, you will see this as four set of papers. ठीक है, मतलब the SAP port sorry the ऑनलाइन एग्जाम जो भी तुम देने वाले हो, ठीक है, द मॉडरेटर देयर, दे रैंडमली पिक अप क्वेश्चंस एंड दे पुट टू योर पोर्टल, ओके, टू योर ऑनलाइन पोर्टल जहाँ पे तुम एग्जाम दोगे. ठीक है, so that one question will be randomly selected from out of those four questions. Say for example, question one, number one का A है, तो उसमें चार questions मैंने set किए. ठीक है, I have to give four questions, so that random question from question A for question one for A, they can pick up randomly and they can give to four different students. Okay, so this is how the sets are prepared. Okay, so your mid semester papers that you will be taking up, they will be in sets. Okay, the set numbers will not be there. Okay, I mean generally set में होता है set A, set B, set C. यहाँ पे वो set नहीं है. ठीक है, they randomly select and they allot to different students. Okay, so for every questions you have seen that I have given four options. Okay, so this is just to make students have different question papers, clear. And it's just that you don't get the same question. This is a general practice there. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to tell you is, in case if you are getting one question and the same question is not there for your friends, clear, this will happen. Okay, this is bound to happen. Questions will differ. ठीक है, don't try to share those common answers ग्रुप में, ठीक है, जो कॉपी करके सारे लोग लिख रहे हैं, वो चीज़ें नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. else if you are losing marks in objective, you are not scoring good. ठीक है, you have to score 5 out of 5 in the objective for your mid semester examination. ठीक है, end semester के लिए just because there are 10 to 12 objective questions, वहाँ पे थोड़ा मुश्किल है, इसलिए मैं वहाँ के लिए कुछ नहीं बोल सकती, but यहाँ पे these 5 questions are your key targets. You have to score good here. No, it won't be through Google Classroom, clear. You have proper channel, I mean proper software है, ठीक है. You'll be informed of that. You will be given a mock drill also for taking your mid semester exams, ठीक है. But how to attach, clear, how to write answers, how to maintain the time, clear, how to log in, where to upload everything, you'll be given a mock drill about it. Don't worry, ठीक है. But what I'm trying to tell you is the sets, ठीक है, generally जो अभी competitive exams तुम देकर आ रहे हो, you might have seen the set numbers. Okay, I mean set A, set B, or set 1, set 2, set 3, whatever, clear, they were numbered. Now here the numbering won't be there, but question papers will be different. And this is, I mean, see, the paper setter is one, there will be one paper setter, but the paper setter will be setting different questions. ठीक है, आई एम लेटिंग यू नो दिस सो दैट अगर तुम्हें चीटिंग करने के दिमाग में ख्याल आ भी रहे हैं, तुम उसको हटा दो, ठीक है, पढ़ाई करना शुरू करो, क्योंकि कट टू कट टाइम मिलेगा. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ऑनलाइन एग्जाम दे पाना इन द न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर वुड बी डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है, सो आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग यू अवेयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Okay, so in case if you have missed your these revisions, and if you have taken key I was just engaging the class with this, no, that wasn't the purpose. My purpose was to make you aware कि this is how the pattern will be. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कम questions है for mid semester, end semester के लिए ज़्यादा questions होंगे. ठीक है, and scoring with within a smaller number is the chances are high than with a bigger number. Okay, so your 30 marks ka internals plus 20 marks ka mid semester is what you need to have full control of. ठीक है, अभी out of 50 at least target 40 plus, else end semester में 30-35 स्कोर कर पाना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ठीक है, so do that. I'm not I haven't kept those revisions for for marks. That was for sheer practice. I'm also not looking at whether you have submitted it on time or not. I'm not going to pressurize you with all those things, but do attempt all those questions. These are for your revisions, clear. Go revisit those questions again and again, at least understand the pattern so that it doesn't appear new to you during the mid semester examinations when you're writing, because you'll be writing this exam for the first time, and we have experienced how panicking the situation gets with students, clear, because you're sitting on the other side of the screen, we are here, we really cannot help you in the panicking state. You won't be able to make or fix those technical glitches. Also you will make blunders. This shouldn't happen. इतना टाइम नहीं रहता है मिड सेमेस्टर में. ठीक है, इट्स जस्ट 1 hour पेपर एंड थिंग्स वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है, राइटिंग, देन क्लिकिंग पिक्चर, अपलोडिंग, ठीक है, और इवन टाइपिंग, बहुत बहुत परेशानी होती है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू कंफर्टेबल विथ, कि तुम्हें पता हो चीजें कैसी हो रही हैं. ठीक है, व्हेन यू नो द प्रोसेस. यस
Ma'am, you have to type the answers into this into the question.
Yes, for question section 1 possibly I think you will have to type the answers, because those are short answer type questions, maybe one word or one sentence, so you will have to type the answers. Okay.
Ma'am, our mid semester starting from
21st to 24th. Okay, the date has been extended because of the late joinees. Okay.
मैम
And then
टाइम कितना रहेगा एक पेपर का?
1 hour 15 minutes something. ठीक है. Don't worry, you will be getting a mock drill for your examination. हमेशा होता है because you will be taking this exam for the first time. So you will be given a mock test, a practice test, so that you are acquainted with the software, and you can set your hand with the software and your system and everything. Clear? You know what are the problems you will be facing, and then you can fix it before you take up the exam. Okay. So internet connection है तो उसमें क्या करना है, ठीक है. In case if you are not uploading your answer at the correct place, it is being attached to different question. Clear? Suppose you answered for question number 2 and the file you have attached for question number 1. Clear? In that case, what you're doing, so everything will be described properly. You'll be getting a proper mock drill for your mid semester examination. Not for mid semester examination, basically, it's just to make you familiar with the process. Okay. So that will happen, but that is one part. Okay. The next part would be the questions of the subjects. Okay. वो भी डिफिकल्ट होते हैं. क्लियर? इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है, एंड यू पीपल आर इन अ हैबिट ऑफ passing on the answers on WhatsApp group, so that won't work. I mean, we know you will still find a way, but इतना आसान नहीं होगा क्योंकि there would be a time ticking. ठीक है, so that would be difficult. Clear? So just take care of that. एंड पीकॉम में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लिखना पड़ेगा फॉर सेक्शन बी, बिकॉज मार्क्स ज़्यादा होंगे, या फिर इन पार्ट्स होंगे. जैसे तुमने देखा होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देयर आर पार्ट ए एंड पार्ट बी. ठीक है, फिर पार्ट ए एंड पार्ट बी के 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट विल बी. इट्स कौन सा क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे पास आ रहा है, दैट वुड बी कंप्लीटली अ मिस्ट्री फॉर यू. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा उसमें भी दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा कौन सा क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है, क्योंकि यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन one at a time. Clear? You cannot scroll and check all the questions. You have to make a decision whether you are going to attempt this question or not, because if you think this question is difficult, the other one would be easy. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो easy होगा. ठीक है, so it's totally mysterious. It's going to be a mind game. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा, बट व्हेन यू आर रेडी, व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर एनीथिंग, तो एवरीथिंग वुड बी इजी. क्लियर? So this was just one thing that I said. Yes, I was on leave because of my marriage. I was completely out of network coverage also. So I scheduled things for you so that you are not missing out things. Clear? But I'm back, and I have come to know that 2 more topics have been added, but they are small topics. We'll cover that. मिड सेमेस्टर पोर्शन हमारा ऑलरेडी खत्म हो चुका है, लास्ट मंथ ही खत्म हो चुका है. वी आर I missed out so many classes, but ठीक है, I'll gear up now. And this examination has been delayed, as I said, for late joinees, and also it's a practice की मतलब December last week में we students don't prefer to study. So exam करके then maybe you will have a break or something. ठीक है, and then the new classes, I mean post mid semester classes will begin. ठीक है, so this is how it will be. ठीक है, yes, बोलो.
Ma'am, so we will be able to view the question that we have answered also in the exam?
Yes, no, you can preview everything when you I mean click on the finish button.
Okay.
ठीक है, I mean you need to finish your attempt first.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
But if we want to change the answer, we have answered something, but then we recollect that it's the other answer.
No, nahin, then that is not, that is what I'm telling you. You will have to take a decision. Okay, whether you are answering this question, because navigating between the questions is not allowed there. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
ठीक है, that's the reason where most of the students face a problem. You think that you are answering for question number 1, but you're attaching the answer in question number 2. Clear? So when we check your papers, clear, we cannot mark you for question number 1 because the answer is missing out there. Clear? But you have attempted question number 2 and the answer for question number 2 is wrong. ठीक है, सो ये प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, ठीक है, मतलब यू माइट have attempted the correct answer, everything is correct, you're scoring 5 out of 5, but just because you have attached it on I mean with the wrong question, you lose marks, ठीक है. So you have to be very careful. I'll also teach you how to mark your आंसर नेम्स. आई मीन जब तुम पीडीएफ्स बनाओगे उस पीडीएफ्स को कैसे नेम करना है सो दैट यू डोंट मेक अ मिस्टेक, आई टीच यू दैट ऑल्सो, ठीक है. बिकॉज रैंडमली फाइल नेम्स को सेलेक्ट करोगे एग्जाम टाइम पे वो फाइल्स दिखेंगे नहीं, तुम्हें बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी. नेमिंग द फाइल्स इज अ बिग tool, a big weapon in your online examination. Clear? So I'll teach you that. Follow one strategy of naming your answer file so that you don't miss. You can upload all the answers with one click only. You save it at a at a folder where that folder is visible to you, ठीक है, क्योंकि उस समय तुम्हारे इतने सारे टैब्स खुले रहेंगे, बैकग्राउंड में तुम्हारे इतने सारे मटेरियल्स खुले रहेंगे दैट यू विल मे मेक अ केओस देन, ठीक है. वो हमें सब पता है, तुम बैकग्राउंड में बैठ के पीछे क्या कर रहे हो हमें सब पता रहता है, ठीक है. बट प्रॉब्लम तब होती है कि तुमने आंसर्स अपलोड कर दिए एंड देन वी कैन नॉट हेल्प, राइट. इवन इफ आंसर्स आर राइट, वी it's not there with the correct answer, you will be losing marks then, ठीक है. So just be very attentive. बहुत सारे जो मॉक ड्रिल्स होंगे, बहुत सारे तो नहीं होंगे, एक ही होंगे मॉक ड्रिल्स होंगे. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड सजेस्ट, अभी बहुत टाइम है, मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर्स दे रखे हैं, जिस तरीके से क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आते हैं, ठीक है, क्वेश्चंस जैसे आते हैं वैसे मैंने दे रखे हैं. And I have made you understood why there are so many questions, because the paper setter is one, but we set multiple questions so that एक पेपर में से 4 सेट बन सके, ठीक है. And there will be no official set numbers for the papers, but you will be getting questions differently, ठीक है. This is how it works, okay. So in case if you have taken this revision lightly, you haven't submitted, ठीक है, but do open the question and go through it, ठीक है, prepare it that way. Clear? You should be knowing everything. And 5 marks के साथ कोई खिलवाड़ नहीं करना है, ठीक है. 5 out of 5 स्कोर करना ही करना है. बाद बाकी उधर में कुछ आ रहा है चाहे नहीं आ रहा है, because the difference, the marks difference between you and your friend would be on the basis of this objective question only most of the time. So you just understand all these these inside stories which people don't talk about. But scoring marks is also a strategic plan that you need to have in your mind.
मैम इन सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन हम पीडीएफ के बदले में वर्ड फाइल सबमिट कर सकते हैं वर्ड में टाइप करके?
नहीं, that I guess that won't be acceptable. Only PDFs are acceptable.
Okay ma'am.
ठीक है, only PDFs are acceptable, or you're typing the answer. ठीक
Okay
है,
ma'am.
whichever according to you is comfortable. Yeah. So बहुत बच्चों के टाइपिंग स्पीड अच्छे होते हैं, so they type the answer. और बहुत बच्चों के नहीं होते हैं तो they write, they scan, they create a PDF and then they upload. ठीक है, okay, ठीक है.
Ma'am, in section B, the questions are optional.
No, they are. I mean, there are multiple questions, but you need to appear only one or two, I guess.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Like the one you are given in the revision type.
Exactly. See, in case if there is any change in pattern, I mean, we were following this pattern till the previous semester. ठीक है. I mean, I was a paper setter till last semester. Just because of my absence, this task has been given to some other faculty. बट अभी तक पैटर्न चेंज का कुछ होता तो हमें इंटीमेट कर दिया जाता, बट वी हैवंट बीन इन्फॉर्म्ड ऑफ दिस. ओनली वी आर इन्फॉर्म्ड ऑफ द अपडेटेड सिलेबस. सो इन केस इफ इट कम्स, आई मीन अभी भी टाइम है, इन केस इफ इट कम्स कि द पैटर्न इज बीइंग चेंज्ड, आई लेट यू नो, डोंट वरी.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the exam also from section B we have to attend only one question.
Okay. ठीक है. One question would have parts. Okay. I mean, one question for 10 marks or 12 marks वैसा नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? That will have parts. Okay. ठीक है? But before you do that, read the question paper. Again, I said, ठीक है? I mean, this goes without saying. Read the question carefully. What is to be, the instruction there. What questions you need to attempt. What questions you can. Where do you have options? Everything is to be read carefully. Clear? The instructions are not very lengthy. Okay, they are just one liners or two liners. I guess 1 second or hardly 10 seconds you will require to read those instructions, but make a habit of reading the instruction. ये नहीं कि बस मैम ने बोल दिया इसलिए मैं जो भी बोल रही हूँ, I'm telling you on the basis of the question papers that I have set clear and that was written there. ठीक है, that you
मैम
can see. Yes.
मैम
Anubis,
आप
बोलो.
जैसा क्वेश्चन प्रोवाइड किए थे हम लोग को इन रिवीजन क्लासेस, मैम उसका लेवल वैसा होगा जो एग्जाम लिए जाएंगे हम लोग के?
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली लेवल इससे डिफिकल्ट भी हो सकता है, लेवल इससे कम भी हो सकता है. दैट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग. ठीक है. and this wasn't a difficult paper, come on.
नहीं मैम ठीक था, ये पेपर ठीक
हाँ,
था,
ये तो
एग्जाम
कुछ भी नहीं
ठीक
ना.
था. अगर वैसा आता है तो मैम ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए आई गेस.
देखो, अब पेपर सेटर कौन होगा उसका तो पता नहीं है ना. ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें स्ट्रैटेजी बता रही हूँ. ठीक है, आई एम टोटली नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रैटेजी इन दिस क्लास.
यस मैम.
ठीक है, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू स्ट्रैटेजाइज थिंग. ठीक है, पैटर्न क्या है, इनसाइड स्टोरी क्या है, वो भी तुम्हारे एग्जाम का पार्ट होता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ यू पीपल प्रिपेयर, बट दिस इज हाउ वी यूज टू प्रिपेयर फॉर आवर एग्जामिनेशन. हम वो भी स्ट्रैटेजाइज करते थे कि ये इतने मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, ये ऐसे आता है, वैसे आता है. तो you feel confidence when you know what to cover and how much to cover and what is your capability.
यस मैम.
तो I'm trying to make you understand that as well. बहुत बच्चे होते हैं बुक्स लेके बस रटते रहते, समझना होता नहीं है. और तो उस तरीके की पढ़ाई से कोई मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, कम पढ़ो बट जो पढ़ो अच्छे से पढ़ो. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू.
यस मैम.
ठीक है, तो
Yes.
अभी मुझे दूसरी चीज ये बताओ, प्रेजेंटेशन कितने लोगों का नहीं हुआ है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर स्टिल लेफ्ट विथ योर प्रेजेंटेशन?
सबका हो गया मैम.
Anyone who couldn't appear? कोई ऐसा बच्चा who wasn't there?
Excuse me, ma'am. Do we have to submit our presentations as well?
That is what, yes, that is what I was telling. I'm going to create a post. One member from each group will upload the PPTs. Okay. Okay, all the PPTs. That's just for the record purpose, nothing else. Okay, because I guess the teachers might have kept a record of your marks, so I'll be getting those files. I'll be asking them to share it with me. And just because your exams are delayed now, I'm thinking of taking the second internal also. ठीक है, बट पहले क्लास शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है, पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि अब ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं है, एंड देन यू हैव योर एंड सेमेस्टर इन February, right? February end
Yes,
है ना.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सिलेबस थोड़ा भी कंप्लीट करते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद चीज़ें करते हैं. ओके, तो आज से करना है, कल से करना है? अच्छा, ये this Saturday is a working day. This Saturday is a working day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
What
Yes,
time?
ma'am.
What
मंडे
time
से
do you-
मंडे
what
को
time?
क्लास है.
Tuesday है सर.
Tuesday.
Tuesday को do
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have a class?
नो मैम.
Tuesday को we don't have a class.
नो मैम.
No.
Tomorrow कल भी नहीं है. चलो फिर आज से ही शुरू करते हैं. आज कल फिर करते करते. ठीक है, चलो let's begin. Give me a minute. I'll just have my documents and then I'll share the screen. Okay. So how was your presentations? I mean, there were different teachers coming in. I know that would have been difficult, but this is how the adjustment goes. When people are free, they will come and take the class. Okay. I hope it was smooth with all the teachers, and I
Yes, ma'am.
believe you people were behaving well with them as well.
Yes, ma'am.
किसी ने कोई प्रॉब्लम तो क्रिएट नहीं करी?
No,
Because
ma'am.
I haven't asked them ki how was your experience and all. I thought that you people are grown up to handle all these situations. Chalo, I'm back now. I mean, I'm not going on leave in near future. Abhi thoda I'll manage. Once I get your scorecards, I mean your presentations के scores, then I'll see how you people have performed. They were they asking questions?
Yes, sir.
The teachers were asking questions for your
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you were able to answer? Were you able to answer them? Because you had marks for that also, 5 marks for
Yes, ma'am. We
presentation,
answered them.
Yes, ma'am, we answered.
Whatever they
5
asked.
marks for your
Yes, ma'am.
presentation, and 5 marks how you answer their questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, theek hai, let me see. What about the new joinees? Are you added to the Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, you are there in the Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
सारे मटेरियल्स उधर डाल रखे हैं, ठीक है, and the question papers and everything are there. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
give me a minute, my system is taking time. Just hold on, my system is taking a longer time because it's almost 20 days that I haven't worked on it. Anyways, have you people started getting your laptops? Is it being delivered to you?
Not yet, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And some of us have got.
They have started with
No,
the
ma'am, not
process.
yet.
No, no, they have started with the process, and they have ensured to make the systems reach you before your mid semester exams. So let's see. They have started working on it because तब तक admissions चल रहे थे, they were busy with those things. Now they have started. Just make sure that you have clear your fees and everything. Nothing is pending. Your documentations and your certificates and everything are uploaded, submitted correctly, because in case if there is a delay, maybe these can be one of the reasons. Not not sure, but maybe in case if some parts of your payments are not paid or your documents are not submitted fully. Okay, so ensure from your end that everything is updated, and then you can get your things. But books, you might have started getting it, right? You might have got your books.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they have started with the laptop process as well, for the international students also. You will have your exams on Moodle. It's Git Moodle. It's as similar as your SAP. So
Ma'am, only one shift will be there for exam, or shift two will also there.
depending upon the number of students, no? But for one day you will have only one exam.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You just have 5 papers, no? You just have five papers, so that will be over.
Ma'am, 5 कौन सा? 4 ना है.
You have 5 subjects.
मैम 21, 22, 23, 24 तक है बस.
Ma'am,
How
3
many
days.
how many papers do you have?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
theory क्या
subject
है?
के
So how many subjects? How many subjects for this?
6
6.
weeks.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 21, COEC, 22, 23, 24. Oh, पता
24
नहीं. नहीं, लैब के पेपर थोड़ी ना होंगे.
तो मैम वैसे तो 4 हुआ है मैम.
हाँ,
बायो,
लैब
मैथ एंड केमिस्ट्री.
मैम लैब के तो प्रैक्टिकल में होगा ना मिड सेम का.
नहीं, वो
हो
उसका
गया ना.
सेशनल है ना, वो सेशनल है.
उसमें अच्छा.
ठीक है, you will have only exams for your theory papers,
Yes, ma'am, that's what I
not
was
lab.
saying.
Not lab. ठीक है, then that's only 4.
Ma'am, then 4 subjects: BCom, Bio, Chemistry, Maths.
वही 4 ही तो है फिर. चलो I can join from here now. Okay, I'll quickly go through the टाइम एंड टेंस का शुरू करते हैं. ऑडिबल?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. We'll quickly begin with time and tense क्योंकि ये already तुम लोगों ने कर रखा है. I have kept all the examples.
Sometimes your voice is not audible. Like your voice becomes low.
I was connected through my phone. Now I have switched on to my system, so maybe because of that. Anyways, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was telling that hearing and listening will begin from Monday onwards. ठीक है, अभी time and tense करते हैं. Time and tense is inclusive of your lab as well. ठीक है, subject to verb agreement, time and tense. ठीक है. So I'll be taking a combined lab exam. ठीक है, after you complete your mid semester exams, maybe by January 1st week or by 10th of January, we'll be covering up all the syllabus and then I'll be taking exams and vivas only. Okay, vivas, one-to-one vivas this time. I wasn't, taking up one-to-one vivas, but then now I feel that it is important. Oh, my system is not responding. I'm working on it after so long. So just give me some time. Oof. Really sorry. It's totally not responding. It's totally not responding. रुको. I was also, trying to tell you about your attendance. See, all your attendance have been taken by the teachers. There, I have given them the Excel file. They might have marked all the attendance, and even if they haven't, clear, you need not to worry about your attendance. Okay, that's totally in my hand, and all I want you to complete your assignments, your task on time, so that you know uh, at the end I have less number of defaulters. Okay, defaulters, I hope you know, people who couldn't complete their task. We give them a last chance at the end, but then you don't get good marks as your friends get. Yeah, so don't keep everything for the defaulter class from your end. Go on completing your task on time, and attendance के लिए टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You are no more school students, though you are treated like one. ठीक है, but you are graduating now. Behave like you are graduating. Okay, attendance is important. but being sincere with your task is more important. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, yesterday assignment link was not working. What can I do?
Which assignment link?
Ma'am, that you send.
It wasn't working.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shubham, I'll see. I'll share it again. Okay, remind me after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, I'm not sharing my screen. Okay, so this is time and tense. Disclaimer, nothing new here. Clear, you have been studying time and tense. Now, why do you need to study again? Because this is one tool with which you can learn the language. Okay. Now, the course that is designed for you, okay, the professional communication course that is designed for you, Clear, has a mix, okay, and mix of, making you learn the professional things, making you learn the communication, making you learn the language as well, okay. So it's a mix of everything. So learning the language part includes, knowing the grammar as well, okay. We have, I have already talked about how the entire course is designed on LSRW thing, which is listening, speaking, reading and writing thing. Yeah. So your reading and writing includes the language knowledge. Yeah. And in English, knowing English, yeah, you need to know the grammar. While we know that most of you are coming from a good English medium school, clear, and even if you are not clear, we assure that it's not difficult. You can still begin at this stage, okay. Maybe you will be learning it slowly. You may take time compared to other students, but the process for you and other people remains the same. Clear, there is nothing different. The best way for English grammar is knowing the time and tense. It's not only for English grammar, for any language, knowing the time and tense is more important, because until unless you have a clear concept that time, according to the time, the tenses differ, and that is how the verbs and the subject acts. Yeah, you cannot translate your ideas into English, okay. And when you miss out this translation, because translation is totally dependent upon the grammar and the tenses, okay. So when you miss out this, you miss out the translation process, and when this translation process is not very quickly done by your brain, then you have a problem in speaking a language, okay. So in case if you are having problem speaking English particularly, or any other language you're learning, clear, this can be one problem, and this is completely related to the translation process that your mind goes through. Yeah. And that's a process which we never acknowledge, or we have never understood that it is important to acknowledge, okay. So time and tense is for that purpose. बहुत ज़्यादा practice I don't think so time मिलेगा, ठीक है, but you will definitely have questions from time and tense in your mid semester examination, in your end semester examinations, and in your different competitive exams as well, okay. So time and tense is necessary for you in that sense. Have a clear idea that time and tense are two different things. Clear, it's the time is the event that occurs in the real world, which is in past, present, or future, whereas tense is just it is used as an expression, or it's a linguistic tool, clear, to indicate the flow of time, okay, to help know what event or action has happened in the flow of time, okay. Tenses is used as an adjective, verb, and noun, clear, interchangeably in different situations, clear. We will be talking about that in the coming slides. And then time is just a grammatical stuff. Yeah, time is used as a noun, but at times it is also used as a verb. For example, time is a healer, or the meeting is time scheduled at so and so. Clear? But tenses, it acts upon the verb. Clear? The moving train, he loves his singing. So we know it is present tense, past tense, and future tense. Clear? The three tenses that we need to study. Clear? Or we have been studying. Okay. So this is the difference. Most of the time you get to write the difference between time and tense. So these are the difference. Okay. Next, all about tenses is some of these the definitions which are picked up from dictionaries, clear Merriam-Webster dictionary, and the very basic understanding of the present tense, the past, and the future. Okay. Tense is derived from the word sorry time is derived from the word tempus, which means time. Okay, tempus means time. Clear? It's a Latin word, and it expresses present, past, future tenses. Works accordingly. It has four forms: simple, progressive or continuous, perfect and perfect progressive, or perfect continuous. Clear? ये थोड़ा confusion होता है बहुत लोगों को. I don't know. I mean, I was very much confused with the four forms, because the names are very confusing, and then when you're not clear with the names, you always confuse with the examples. Okay, so for that reason, I have uh, wait a minute. See, I have different slides where I have kept everything at one place. ठीक है, past tense है तो उसके चारों forms यहाँ पे हैं. ठीक है, you have future tense, you have all the forms here. Clear? You have uh, you have present tense, and you have all the forms here.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can't able to see the change slides.
हाँ, रुको, don't worry. I'm moving very fast. Don't worry about that. ठीक है. So this PPT actually has some animations. I was also presenting it at a conference, so it is just because of that. Don't
नहीं
worry.
मैम, हमको सिर्फ फर्स्ट स्लाइड ही दिख रहा है. It's just showing
Okay.
the first slide.
Okay. I'll present again. I was changing the slides also, very fast, but take care. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible now? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm not getting into the details. I'm not reading out the details on each slide, because as you can see, this is the present tense and the four forms given out here. Clear? And I have just kept one liners, because writing long paragraphs, as you will find on Google, there they write long paragraphs to explain what is simple present tense, and then they talk about the structure, then they explain the examples. I haven't done that. Clear? I have written out point wise, because remembering things point wise is very easy. So all the four forms are written out here, their structures are written, and their examples are written out. Okay, so this is for the present tense, this is for the past tense, and this is for the future tense. Okay, now what is important here is this ways of referring. ठीक है, मैंने देखो यहाँ पे important लिख भी रखा है, because in your exams it has happened most of the time that you get this question for 12 marks or 15 marks. ठीक है, and अगर physical exam हो रहे होते हैं तो उसमें 8 mark के question. I mean, this comes usually for long answer type question. Okay, so what are the ways of referring to the future tense? Okay, so there are 7 ways of referring to the future tense, which I have mentioned out here. Clear? And I have explained a bit, okay, with examples, so that you can remember. In case if you can see, those are highlighted with different font size. Clear? So these are the ways of referring to the future tense. This is important written out here. Be plus going to, modal will plus bare infinitive, the modal will plus be plus ing form. Okay, next is next is be plus 2 plus infinitive, will plus have plus past participle form, be plus going, to plus have plus past participle third form, will plus have plus been plus ing form. Okay. Now in exam, most of the time, the students don't remember the structure. Okay. So in case if you're not able to remember with the structure, remember the examples. Yeah, the examples, because I have explained the examples as well. Okay, say for example, will plus have plus past participle third form, उसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है? I have lived here for just over 13 years when I celebrate my 66th birthday next March. मतलब this has the past form also, this has the future form also, this has the present form also. ठीक है, so at the moment of the speaking, this is the present. 6 months before, okay, मतलब past tense but next March. ठीक है, next March. ठीक है, दिस इज कमिंग. ओके, मतलब फ्यूचर के मार्च से 6 महीने पहले, क्लियर, व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग राइट नाउ, क्लियर, द स्पीकर हैज लिव्ड, दिस इज अ पास्ट टेंस, ओके, हैज लिव्ड हियर फॉर 12.5 years. Okay, so this is one way of referring to the future tense where you have will plus have plus past participle, the third form. ओके, तो ये स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है याद रखने में, आई कैन एग्री विद इट, क्लियर, बट व्हेन यू नो सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट एग्जांपल्स लाइक दिस, क्लियर, you understand that you are actually talking about the present, you're including the present, so you're talking in the present but you're including the past and you're referring to the future. Okay, so this is about the will plus have plus past participle form, and that's one way of referring to the future tense. Okay, now why this has been kept separate from the four forms of the three tenses is just because in all your competitive exams, okay, all the competitive exams that you'll be taking up, you're not going to get simple questions from the four forms of past, present, or future. Okay, most of the questions are from future tense. Okay, pick up any competitive question papers and you will see that most of the questions from time and tense is from ways of referring to the future tense. Okay, most of them, they give you complicated sentences which have everything and then they ask you what tense is that, yeah, to what time the speaker is referring to. Yeah, so what you do there is you break the entire sentence into parts, then you understand which part belongs to the present, to the past, and then the future, and all in all the message is referring to the future tense. Okay, most of the competitive exams, I mean, I don't know, I may be wrong, but with me this has happened. Most of the competitive exams for time and tense, they ask questions with these complicated type of sentences and they ask you to identify what form of tense is this. Okay, so that's the reason we ask our students to just go through this. I'm sorry, we ask our students to go through this, and all the forms are written out here and the examples are all given here. Okay, I'm not explaining line by line because this is a thing of practice, and this is what you have been doing. Clear, I mean, at least tenses तो पता होंगे. जिनको tenses का कुछ भी idea नहीं है, study from the very first slide. Clear, study from the very first slide. Present tense है, all the four tenses have been given with the structure and the example. Clear, in case if you want me to give you separate book on grammar, clear, for tenses, please ask me. I'll forward you some of the good soft copies of the grammar book, and there are some parts of this grammar given in your book, your recommended book also. ठीक है, मीनाक्षी and Raman Oxford वाले book में भी दे रखा है, you can practice there as well. Okay, so time and tense basically will be for objective questions, 1 or 2 marks max there, or for longer answers like ways of referring to the future tense. Okay, which can be starting from 5 marks to 8 marks for the physical mode. I mean end semester अगर physical mode में होता है तो ठीक है, और अगर online mode में अभी है तो you will be just getting 1 or 2 questions from this, and then ways of referring to the future tense is for long answer type question. Okay, so I'll be uploading this. I'm not going, one. I'm not explaining this because the PPT itself is very descriptive, and you have been studying this. This is for you to practice. I'll talk about listening and hearing. जिसके लिए I'll make you do one more activity. ठीक है, वो एक्टिविटी बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज लिसनिंग में अगर फिजिकल मोड में होते देन आई वुड हैव recited a story, then I would have asked you to note down the things that you have heard. It's basically a kind of dictation, but it's picking up things from what has been narrated to you, yeah, and how you interpret. But just because abhi ye nahi ho sakta hai, I have a different way of doing it. But first, I'll explain what is the difference between listening and hearing and why it is an important part of communication, how you benefit from this listening, and why do you need to develop listening skills, yeah. Why listening skills are not given due significance as compared to speaking or writing. Yeah, we'll be talking about all those things. Those are more important. Okay. Time and tense, I believe you can manage all by yourself. Okay? Yeah? Okay. So, अब classes full fledged तरीके से चलेंगे, and then once I complete the syllabus, I'm not going to stop because I need to finish the syllabus at least more 20 to 30% before your mid semester examination. The syllabus of your end semester, like 20% ही हो पाएगा, 20 to 30% ही हो पाएगा, ठीक है. And after during your mid semester exams you want to have classes, so let me start with the portions for your end semesters also. Okay. Okay, clear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sure, then I'll take your attendance quickly. I have all your attendance, please don't worry, clear? It was just that I was out of work, I couldn't update it on SAP. I'll be doing it everything by this weekend. Okay, let me just settle down. I returned back last night, late night actually, and then since morning I'm up with the classes and everything. So be patient with me, I request, and I'll update everything. Don't worry.